Hello, my fantastic friends. I am F, and today we are going on a fun filled adventure with the letter F. Are you ready? Let's find some fantastic words that start with F.
F is for fox, so fast and fun, running and jumping in the sun. F is for fish, that swims with glee, gliding around so wild and free. Flowers bloom so bright they grow, spreading colors in a row. Frogs go hot and leap so high, jumping under the bright blue sky. Football rolls, kick it far, watch it zoom just like a star. Fans go whir on a summer day, blowing cool air as we play.
Now let's learn how to write the letter F. Follow along with me.
F is fantastic
That's a big F.
to say. Let's find more F words to
Now let's try the small f. Great job! Now grab your pencil and practice writing F on your paper and look for F words all around you. Stay fun and fearless. Bye bye.